Hi everyone, this video is created by the members of Group 4 on Naturalistic Observation. There are 6 of us in the group and these are our group members. So without further ado, we will take a look at the overview of our presentation. So the definition of naturalistic observation is a method whereby subjects are observed in their natural setting without any interruption. The advantage of this method of observation is that we are able to study topics that cannot be studied in a laboratory setting where the variables and subjects are controlled. Next, this method can allow us to study subjects in a natural setting, which enables researchers to know natural characteristics of the subject of interest without the influence of any other factors. The disadvantage of this method of observation is that the presence of bias may alter the behavior of the subject as they know they are being observed.
As for our experiment parameters, our objective was to perform naturalistic observation of preferred method of studying on UPM students. We did it in PSAS, Perpustakaan Sultan Abdul Samad, and the subjects involved were the students studying in PSAS. Time of conduction was Thursday afternoon on the 1st of December 2022 from 1:45 p.m. to 2:15 p.m.
Next, we will move on to how we conducted the naturalistic observation. Firstly, 6 people in the group were divided into 2 smaller groups with 3 people in each group. Each group was sent to Block A and B of Perpustakaan Sultan Abdul Samad respectively. Observation was made at each block of the library on all levels for about 20 minutes and videos of the library environment were recorded. The total number of subjects who wore earphones and who did not wear earphones were jotted down on a notebook. After 20 minutes, the percentage of students who wore earphones and did not wear earphones were calculated and tabulated under the results section. Finally, the data was analysed and discussion were made.
For the hypothesis of the experiment, our null hypothesis is UPM students who visit the PSAS library do not use earphones while studying, while the alternative hypothesis was UPM students who visit the PSAS library do use earphones while studying. For our results, we calculated there were 286 total number of students in PSAS at the time of experiment. 224 of them do not use earphones, while 62 of them uses earphones. You can see there are 4 times more students who don't use earphones compared to those who use. On the left, we see a bar chart to show the sheer difference of number, and on the right, we see a pie chart to show the percentage of both earphone users and non-earphone users.
Next, we will briefly talk on the discussion that was made. So there were only 28% of students in the whole library who were wearing earphones to study in the library. This percentage shows us that there are lesser students who use earphones while studying in the library. This may be due to several reasons such as the students' preferred method of studying. Next, it could also be due to that it helps them concentrate better to read a material. Next, we also identified several problems that we faced in conducting the observational experiment. Firstly, the number of subjects cannot be controlled. Hence, numerical errors can be made. For example, people entering and leaving the library as they please can cause error in calculation. Secondly, there may be incorrect calculation of people wearing earphones or not wearing earphones. For instance, the observer may not notice the students wearing earphones as their ears or clothes may have covered the appearance of the earphones.
So based from our results and discussion, we can see that there are more students who do not use earphones while studying compared to those who use earphones while studying. From here, we can accept the null hypothesis, which is UPM students who visit the PSAS library do not use earphones while studying. Here are our references in conducting the experiment. That is all from us, and I bid thank you for your kind attention.